morning, Prem, Anand Shankar, and Priti Bharti. Anand Shankar, Priti Bharti, Sony, Vaibhav Raj. Ananya Raj. Who is this Ananya Raj? Ananya Raj. Jayasri Chandra. Today new students are there. Utkarsh Kumar. So our chapter was complete. I have to tell you. Have you completed question answers? Reply. Have you completed your chapter question answers? Reply all of you. Have you completed question answer? Answer the following questions in brief. Answer the following questions in detail. Have you completed? Reply. Do you have any problem in question answers? If anyone have any problem, tell me. All of you, I am asking if you have any problem in any questions, ask. F question, any problem is there? Everybody F. Then G. If you have any type of problem, then tell. Tell me, no. I am asking again, question number what? Which question number? From this chapter, chapter number 2. From chapter number 2, if anyone has any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, I will move to the next chapter, chapter 3. Who is Chanchala Kumari there in class 6? See here, now we don't have any question. We'll start the chapter, that is chapter 3, animal fibers. Fiber is a long, narrow, flexible thread of natural or artificial substance, especially one that is used to make textile. If the starting point here, fiber is a long, narrow, and flexible thread of a natural or artificial substance, especially one that is used to make a textile. Listen here, our hair is also a fiber, natural fiber. Question number G, chapter 2, G, question number 7. Explain the process of digestion in ruminants. This question, Jayasri. Reply, Jayasri. This is the question. Explain the process of digestion in ruminants. Reply quickly, Jayasri. Reply, Jayasri. Which question? 7. Then answer digestion of. Explain the process of digestion in ruminants. For that, you will write these 2 steps. Page, question number 7. That only I say this page number 23. Page number 23. First step you will write full as well as second step. That is the process of digestion in ruminants. That only steps you have to write. Did you get the answer, Jayasri? Jayasri, did you get the answer? Jayasri replied, did you get the answer? Then see here, I was on a fiber is a long, narrow and flexible thread of a natural fiber. See here is also a fiber. Fiber is a long, narrow thread, flexible. Fiber is a long, narrow, flexible thread means it is flexible, especially one that is used to it can be, see here, here is natural fiber, artificial fiber. Reply all of you, here is a natural fiber or artificial fiber. All of you reply, here is natural fiber or artificial fiber. Okay, polyester. Polyester is natural fiber, artificial fiber. Polyester. Polyester is natural fiber or artificial fiber. Okay, see here. So it is the starting point of textile chain. Without your fibers, no textile factories can run. Fibers may be obtained from plants, animals, or various. See, what are the sources we can obtain fibers from plants, animals, and various non-living. Non-living means we are obtaining fiber from coal. We are obtaining fiber from petroleum. They are polymers. Fibers may be obtained from plants, animals, or various non-living or artificial substances. These fibers are spun into yarn. See this here, if you take and when you spin it, it will become a yarn, and that yarn only we call it thread. That yarn only what we call thread. When you take out thread and take out its pieces, you will see. These fibers are spun into a yarn. The yarn is woven or knitted into fabric. I told you this thread. This shirt is a fabric. Many yarns are woven with the help of machines to make a fabric, which is then used to make finished products such as clothes and bags. Fibers such as jute and cotton are finished products. Which are finished products? Fibers such as jute, cotton are plant fibers because that is common. The fibers that are obtained, jute, cotton, they are plant products because they are obtained from plants. Question number 23. Harsh Ranjan means you came late in the class. I asked before there. Question number 23. Page number 23. Page number 23. Wait. Hello? Hello? Good morning. Class हो रहा है? Tell me. Harsh Ranjan, question number what? Page number 23. Which question? Reply quickly. Harsh Ranjan. You say fast, our class has to go on. Tell me the page number and question number. Page number 23. You just fellow wasting time. See here. First step, what is the doubt that you tell me? You write in full sentence there, you just fellow. See here others. Fibers such as jute and cotton are plant fiber because they are obtained from plants. You already studied about them, or you have studied about plant fibers, their properties and sources in class 6. In this chapter, you will know more about animal fibers, their sources. This chapter we have to learn about mainly animal fiber, their sources and properties. Fibers such as wool and silk are animal fibers. Which fibers are animal fibers? Wool and silk are animal fiber because they are obtained from animals. We shall now study wool and silk in detail. Now, this chapter we have to what is cud? Cud is earned eggs. For example, see, whenever the cows or buffaloes they see grass, they chew it half. They do not chew it completely. For example, we are chewing it completely, then only we are sending to our food pipe. These animals, when they see grass and all, they will chew it half and then they will swallow. Then they will swallow. And then they will go to their inner when this partially digested food they bring to the mouth. This partially digested food, when they bring to the mouth, this partially digested food is called cud. Partially digested food is called cud. Is it clear now? Reply. Reply all of you. Is it clear? What is cud? Reply quickly. Now see, wool fibers are hair of wool yielding animals. What are wool fibers? Wool fibers are hair of wool yielding animals such as sheep, Angora rabbits, goats, alpaca, and even camels. See, wool fibers are hair. Wool fibers are hair of wool fibers are hair of wool giving animals such as sheep, Angora rabbit, goat, alpaca, and even camel. The wool coat of these animals, the wool coat present on these animals that is called fleece. This coat keeps their bodies warm. This fleece keeps their body warm in cold season. Prehistoric men used to cover their bodies. Old means early men used to cover their bodies with the skin of sheep and other animals to keep themselves warm. This perhaps gave them the idea to make them young. See, earlier animals used to cover their body with the skin of animals, so they got the animal's skin. Why they are hot or warm? Because they have wool. So from the wool we can make our clothes. This perhaps gave them the idea to make yarn. Yarn is the thread, and then from thread they make fabric. From there, fiber covering. All of you read up to here. All of you read up to here. Then next we have wool yielding animal sheep. Most sheep have anterior Most sheep have two types of hair from which wool is obtained. The outer coarse hair is known as skept. The fine, soft undercoat close to the skin is true wool from which wool fiber is obtained. See here, most sheep have two types of hair from which the wool is obtained. Wool is obtained. See here, sheep have two types of hair. Sheep have two types of hair from which wool is obtained. The outer coarse hair is known as skin. Outer coarse hair is known as what? Reply all of you. What is the outer coarse hair known as? Reply quickly. The sheep have two types of hair from which wool is obtained. The outer coarse hair is known as what? Reply quickly. The outer coarse hair is known as what? Skin. The fine, soft undercoat close to the skin. The fine and soft. The fine, soft undercoat close to the skin. The outer hair, for example, my hair, you see, this outer hair will be coarse, but inner hair it will be soft. The fine, soft undercoat close to the skin is the true wool. The fine, soft undercoat close to the skin is the true wool. The true wool will be close to your skin. True wool will be close to your skin. The fine, soft undercoat close to the skin is the true wool from which wool fiber is obtained. Which fiber is obtained? Wool fiber is obtained. Domestication and selective breeding have eliminated most of the long hair. What is the meaning of selective breeding? Anybody? Reply anybody. What is the meaning of selective breeding? Domestication and selective breeding. Reply. What is the meaning of domestication and selective breeding? Reply quickly. What is the meaning of domestication and selective breeding? Anybody? See, domestication means to keep domestic animals. You are keeping domestic animals like sheep. Or for example, why do people keep cows for? Reply all of you. Why do people keep cows for? Yes, this answer is correct. Selective breeding means we are selecting special varieties of animals and then making them reproduce. For example, you want a white color wool, you want soft wool, you want a brown wool, you want a long wool, you want short wool. That is for that if you are making the sheep to reproduce, that is called selective breeding. But for example, people are now keeping cows for milk. Earlier, the sheep were kept, but now people are doing selective breeding of only soft and short wool sheep. So long wool is not there. See here. Domestication and selective breeding have eliminated. Eliminated means remove. Eliminated means what? Remove. Domestication and selective breeding have eliminated most of the long hair. Today, sheep are covered almost exclusively with true wool. Say here earlier, I told you in coarse wool, one demerit is their outer wool they have to cut, then bottom wool they have to take out. But now people are breeding only soft wool. That is true. Domestication and selective breeding have eliminated most of the long hair. Today's sheep are covered almost with wool. Today, sheep, pay attention, today's sheep's body are covered almost with which wool? Wool. Kashmiri goat. All of you read this sheep if you have any doubt. All of you. All of you read about sheep. Read, no doubt, see it. Kashmiri goat. So how many students have read Soni Sapna? Now Kashmiri goat. The fine short fiber obtained from undercoat of the Kashmiri goat. Fine short fiber which is obtained from the undercoat of Kashmiri goat is called Kashmiri. Again the same, the fine short fiber obtained from undercoat of Kashmiri goat is called Kashmiri. The outer coat hair fibers are quite coarse. The outer coat hair fibers are quite coarse, means outer hair fibers are very rough, and high quality Kashmiri is obtained by de-hairing or combing. Means when you comb there, the rough hairs will be removed, only soft hairs will remain. The outer coat hair fibers are quite coarse, and high quality Kashmiri is obtained by de-hairing. De-hairing means removing the hair or combing. Kashmiri goats are found only in mountain regions of China and Tibet. Where these Kashmiri goats are found in the mountains of China and Tibet. Then you have Angora rabbit. Soft white fiber called Angora wool. Soft white fiber, you can see the rabbit, Angora rabbit. Soft white fiber called Angora wool is obtained from Angora rabbit. Soft white fiber called Angora wool. Soft white fiber called Angora wool is obtained from Angora rabbit. Stiff, long, guard hair growing through the soft coat. See here, soft white fiber. Soft white fiber called Angora wool. Soft white fiber is there called Angora wool is obtained from Angora rabbit. This soft fiber is obtained from whom? Angora rabbit. Stiff, long, guard hair. Stiff means tight, long guard hair growing through the soft coat have to be removed before the fur from the rabbit is combed out. Again, the soft, long, they are removed with the help of comb. Through the soft coat have to be stiff, long guard. Hair growing through the soft coat have to remove before the fur from this rabbit is combed out. The soft white fur obtained is then spun. The soft fiber that is spun means twisted. Spinning means twisting and turning it. The soft white fiber obtained is then spun into yarn that is used to make sweaters. That is used to make what? Sweaters. Then read this Kashmiri goat and Angora rabbit. All of you read. Kashmiri goat and Angora rabbit, read. Over. Then here. Yeah. Yak are found in Tibet and Ladakh. Their coats consist of outer long horsehair. Yaks are found where in Tibet and Ladakh. Yaks are found in Tibet and Ladakh. Their coats consist of long horsehair. Yaks are found in Tibet and Ladakh. Their coats their coats means covering consists of long and coarse hair. You can see in the diagram. See in the picture, the hair is long. Yards are found in Tibet and Ladakh. Their coats consist of outer long coarse hair and an undercoat of soft and silky wool. Undercoat is there of soft and silky wool. The color usually ranges from brown to black. What is the color of yak? Brown to black. The yaks are found in Tibet and Ladakh. Their coats consist of outer long coarse hair and an undercoat of soft and silky wool. Undercoat is what? Soft and silky wool. The color usually ranges from brown to black. Yak is clear. All of you tell me. Yaks are found in Tibet, Ladakh. Coats consist of outer long coarse hair and undercoat of soft and silky wool. The color usually ranges from brown to black. Now, camel. Camel fleece consists of soft, fine undercoat and overcoat of long coarse hair that grow up to 15 inches long. I mean, this much big, 15 inches long. Undercoat. See, camel fleece. Fleece is a wood that is wool cover or wool coating of their body. Camel fleece consists of soft, fine undercoat. The covering is soft, fine undercoat of long coarse hair. Coarse is long and that grows up to 15 inches long. Camel wool is considered to be a healthy natural product. It has excellent thermal insulation property. What is thermal insulation property? Tell me everybody. What is thermal insulation property? Reply all of you. What is thermal insulation property? Reply quickly. What do you mean by thermal insulation property? Reply. What is thermal insulation property? Thermal insulation is the reduction of heat transfer. Thermal energy between objects. Yes, next. Only one student knows the answer. Where are others? Reply first. What is thermal insulation property? Poor conductor of heat. No, insulator means it won't conduct heat. Arpita, insulation means it will not conduct heat. Then next, anybody else? Thermal insulation is the reduction of heat transfer between objects in thermal. That will also do next. What is thermal insulation property? Reduction is not there. Insulation means you don't allow heat to pass. Insulator does not all. Average, you can say reduction of heat. Thermal insulation is the reduction of heat transfer between objects. Thermal insulation is the property to reduce the lower temperature. Then, anybody else? So now you can attend your English classes, and in between we got disturbance due to my spectacles. The spectacles are missing, so I'm finding difficult to read your comments and look at the screen. So after the spectacles come, little disturbance will be there. So that was the reason I have to regularly wash my eyes after 10 or 15 minutes because it is a headache. Good everybody.